We made it. We arrived to our new home for this weekend. That beautiful small house. That's the lake. Now, after such a long trip, some beer. It's time to unpack everything, start the engine of the boat, try to catch some fish, and make a dinner. Hello guys, and welcome to my new cooking episode. Today I'm in a beautiful Norwegian nature, staying in a cabin, so we need to make some food. Tonight I'm gonna cook some Greek food. So first we need to make some bread, then we're gonna grill some meat, make Tzadziki, salad, and it's gonna be great. First we need some Greek yogurt. Warm water, just whiskey business. Then we're gonna add half a package of dry yeast. Mix it well. Splash of oil. Now strong flour. Don't have exact recipe. Just making by feeling. Now we can add salt. Mix it until the dough will be smooth. If it's getting too dry, just add a splash of water. And if it's too wet, just add some flour. Alright, so you should end up with stretchy and not sticky dough like this. So we're gonna leave it in a bowl, covered for around 1 hour. Or 30 minutes until it will double in the size, and then we're gonna make small buns and we're gonna grill. So after 1 hour, dough should look like that, fluffy puffy. So now we need to divide it in 2 bowls. So this is how it looks dough. I divide it in 2 same size pieces, flatten it out. We're gonna raise a little bit them and just grill. Now it's time to prepare some vegetables and tzatziki. This is our tzatziki. It's cucumber, garlic, dill, salt, and a lot of yogurt. Time to mix everything and finish with our salad. So I'm forming our meat on the skewers, and we're gonna grill it after. Some oil on the top. Inside, in a mix of meat, is a beef, a lot of herbs, garlic, some butter, and salt. Okay, now it's time to grill our bread. So the surface is a little bit oiled. I'm just gonna put it on the grill, and I'm gonna pray that it won't stick. Bread looks great. Time to flip. Good. Already smells incredible. Bread is almost finished. It's almost ready. Salad ready. Tzadziki is ready. Time to eat. Okay, time to plate our dish. On the bread, I'll put a little bit of tzatziki. Then our grilled meat. Fresh salad. Salt on the salad, and of course more tzatziki. Cheers guys. Really good. Okay guys, that's it for today. Time to sleep and see you tomorrow.